you, welcome back to another video. Today there are new codes. This is work. First one is Spirit 2020. Just go on, pause this video and then see this. Or you can just pause the video and see this. Or you can just do this. This is the new code. This is the new code. I will use this. This is also new code. I use this. This is another code called Target Fox. This is your Fox. If you don't believe me, I will use this one. I already use this though. The first one is Arcos Wings 2020. Second is Target Fox 2020. This works as well. See this and this works, and also these works. Also this works. No, this doesn't work. This works, this works, this works, this works, and this works. Next with these. Okay, bye. The video is not turning off. Okay. You know what? I'll play some studio for fun. It's actually a ripoff of Fortnite, and I'm going to play Fortnite. And this is the one where I will play with. Wow, this game looks like it sucks. Anyway. Why I'm good at Fortnite so much. Wow, this sucks. I'm going to car then. Wee.